Did you know George Clooney co-founded the tequila brand, Casamigos Tequila, in 2013? It was sold in 2017 to Diageo, which made Clooney $250 million richer. Hi Smart with Money people, and welcome back. Today we will be talking about successful celebrity investors. We'll be discussing 5 celebrities who made it big outside of their own original career, including Ryan Reynolds, Kim Kardashian, Jay-Z, Ashton Kutcher, and Rihanna. Stick around to see who is the richest of these 5 celebrities and what they invested in. In the meantime, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you won't miss out on any of our new videos. Let's go! 1. Ashton Kutcher. Ashton Kutcher, the famous actor of movies like Dude, Where Is My Car? And The Butterfly Effect and TV shows like 2.5 Men, is more than just an actor, he is also a renowned investor. He has invested early in a number of tech startups, including Skype, Uber, Spotify, Pinterest, Airbnb, and Warby Parker. He is known for his passion for technology and his ability to connect with young entrepreneurs. His most successful investment is probably Airbnb, where he invested as early as 2010 through his venture capital company, Sound Ventures. He recently raised more than $200 million for a new AI investment fund. Kutcher's investment strategy is to focus on companies that have the potential to change the world. As he says, I really think that technology has the greatest potential to accelerate happiness of most things in the world. Estimated net worth, $200 million. 2. Ryan Reynolds. We all know Ryan Reynolds from Deadpool and The Proposal. He is an actor, producer, and entrepreneur. He has invested in a number of tech startups, including Mint Mobile and Maximum Effort. Other than that, he invested in Aviation Gin and the Formula One team, Alpine. He even famously bought the football club Wrexham AFC. One of Reynolds' most successful investments is Mint Mobile, a mobile phone service that offers low-cost plans. Mint Mobile has been a huge success. It was sold for $1.35 billion earlier this year. Reynolds' investment strategy is to take a large part in the marketing of the companies he invests in. He uses his marketing agency, Maximum Efforts. With this publicity, he can get a lot of attention and lift the company to a higher level. He sees himself as a storyteller to tell the story of each brand he owns. Ryan Reynolds' net worth, $350 million. 3. Rihanna. The famous singer from Barbados is, besides her singing career, also a great businesswoman. Different from the other celebrities mentioned here, Rihanna accumulated her wealth through one very successful business, her makeup company, Fenty Beauty. This cosmetics company was launched in 2017 together with LVMH, and 3 years later, brought in more than $500 million in revenue, according to Forbes. The purpose of Rihanna creating Fenty Beauty was to include all skin tones and offer products with a wide range of shades. Estimated net worth, $1.4 billion. 4. Kim Kardashian. We all know Kim as a reality TV star, but she is also well known for being an entrepreneur and an investor. She has invested in a number of businesses, many that became very successful. One of Kardashian's most successful investments is Schemes, a shapewear company that she co-founded with her sisters. Founded in 2019, Schemes has been a huge success, and it was valued at more than $3 billion. Her second most successful venture is KKW Beauty, which is a cosmetics firm she founded in 2017 in a similar way her stepsister Kylie did. This company was also valued at more than $1 billion in 2021. Other than this, she has other small investments spread out. Estimated net worth, $1.7 billion. 5. Jay-Z. And here you have the wealthiest of the 5, Jay-Z. Jay-Z is a very successful rapper, but also an entrepreneur and investor. He has invested in a variety of businesses, including Uber, Tidal, Roc Nation, and Armand de Brignac Champagne. He is known for his business acumen and his ability to spot trends early on. One of Jay-Z's most successful investments is Dus Cognac, where he partnered up with Bacardi in 2012. He sold a significant stake in the company for $750 million. Another liquor investment is Armand de Brignac, a French champagne business. He sold this investment for more than $300 million. His investments in Uber and the streaming company Tidal are also famous for disrupting the industry. As you can see, Jay-Z is really successful. He is more of an angel investor where he invests, builds the company up and sells it. Estimated net worth, $2.5 billion US. So, those are just a few of the celebrity investors who have made a lot of money by investing in businesses. As you saw, celebrities have many different ways of getting wealthy, but one thing is for sure, they were smart with money. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.